Okay, now we're going to use the checkbox button. We're going to need a button one, then two text box. Okay, now button one, then two text box. This is the continuation of our tutorial on C Sharp. Okay, now we're going to go to the button one. Then we're going to declare as int a and b. A is equal to 0, then b is equal to 0. Also a string a big letter is equal to yan, yan. Then the next b is equal to, okay, now we need a also a sum sum is equal to 0. Also this side sum is the big letter sum. Okay, now we're going to declare if checkbox one dot check, or if you're going to check the checkbox one, we're going to assign a value on a, the big letter, is equal to John. Okay, now I'm going to just copy this one because it's just the same. That I'm going to change it because the text that was checkbox 2. Okay, I'm going to change this to PCU. Then again, I'm going to declare is, and now this is now an integer, which is a is equal to 5. Then again, I'm going to change this because that is checkbox 3, checkbox 4, and then this is 10, and this is b. This is b, then this is big letter b. Okay, now we're going to sum is equal to a and b, a plus b. This is the integer, or now this is the string. Sum is equal to a plus b, also the string. Now we're going to display the output. We're going to display the output of this. We're going to display the output of this on the text box, which is going to declare a text box one dot text is equal to sum, which is that is string, or the big letter in the string. Then text box 2 dot text is equal to sum, that to string because that is a number or integer. So we're going to convert it into string. Now we're going to debug it. Oh, some errors. Okay, as you can see, we're going to the form of the PCU. Then this is going to look like the difference between the radio button and the checkbox. If you're going to click the oh, going to click the checkbox 1 and the checkbox 2, he going to add the PC John and the PCU. As you can see on this code, we assign that. As you can see on oh, as you can see on this code, we assign that checkbox 1. If we assign the checkbox 1 is equal to John and the checkbox 2 is equal to PCU, which mean if I'm going to add these two, she's going to display John and PCU. But if I'm going to uncheck the checkbox 2, she's going to display only John. But if I'm going to uncheck the checkbox 2, she's going to display a PCU only. Now, in this side, this is the integer. As you can see, 5 and 10. If you're going to add 5 and 10, she's going to display 15. Then 15, if you're going to uncheck the checkbox 4, you're going to display 5. Because checkbox 3, the value of checkbox 3 is 5. Then the value of checkbox 4 is 10. Okay. Now, if you're going to check all of this, as you can see, she's going to display 15 and John PCU. If you're going to check the radio button, she's going to, you cannot check all, or you cannot combine. This, unlike unlike checkbox, radio button is only one by one, as you can see. Okay, that is our end of our tutorial in C Sharp. Ay, maybe not. We're going to end this video.